Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Kamda ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ki Pulit kilara Shah bishar ya ki laingot ki brio ki belasyak kem kam hadien na nong ba Indore na mar ka jing suba bagi don kitilang ha ka jing ya sela ban penyap ya Raja Raghuvanshi Hawai Saudong. Kini ki laingot ki balara Shah bishar ki kentop ya trayeng baka sonam kari dengan ha Indore kata uloken dra sing tomar namar unong ya penbaik dor usilom James bat unong apahara ya ka yeng ubalvir. Ki Pulit kilapan por na ka bishar Pras ngi ban Tohkit ikini kilaingot. Hendri ka yeng bishar ka aibor ya ki Pulit tang rius ngi bakin Tohkit. Ya kini berok laingot lawan ra mentah ka step jong ka ar penriu tereng na Indore Shashilong. Ka jing sya kem jong ki ka day hadien balalap bagi day budan keti ban sei ya kapla rongyong jong ka sonam na ka kamera bakasa bat ha kata kapla ki dan ki sabut ki badan kam kum ka pistol ka pisa ki ksiar ka mobile phone hendrai kat kum ka jing tip balayok long. Ki Pulit kilap tang ya ka pistol ka ba kilabrat syawa bat ka pisa sanpo hajar tengka napok kawi ka kali.
This Silcom, then Locandro and this Balbir, they were produced before the Honorable Court today, and all the three accused were remanded to police custody for 6 days.
Was there any defense from
Yes,
their side?
legal aid council they appeared.
But not from Indore.
No.
Police had sought for how many days?
Police sought for 8 days. Court has granted 6 days police custody.
Any other observations from the court, sir?
No.
Police?
No.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.